गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां शंभवे गुरवे नमः.
The Khadgamala Devis that we see in the temple, some of you may be familiar with the Devi Khadgamala Stotram. So all the forms of these Khadgamala Devis have never been, described in any of these, books which they have for the Shilpa Shastra and all. Never been described. But when he saw the vision for the first time, without even going to Devipuram, that place, he saw the vision with the whole temple being constructed, each and every single one of those Khadgamala Devis, not just sitting as murtis, not just sitting as idols, but singing and dancing and laughing. That was the anubhuti, that was the experience that he had. And he wanted that each and every single one of the persons visiting Devipuram should be able to have that anubhuti. So, when the time came to actually put each and every single one of these Khadgamala Devis, install them in their respective sthanas in the Sri Yantra, he asked Devi again, in the form of Bala, how do I do this? Where do I find their forms? They are not given in any book. So, Devi told him, you take each name and do the japa of that name. She will appear to you. So sometimes, some days, for some names it was like 20 days, 30 days, 40 days. So when she appeared, then he would describe to the Shilpi, and that's how all these Khadgamala Devis have been made. And in 94 we had the first Kumbhabhishek. So this is a brief background about Guruji and Amma and also the Sri Yantra Mahameru. Some of you have visited, but a lot of you have not visited Devipuram. So even before we get into the puja today, I would like to extend a very warm invitation to each and every one of you to come home to Devipuram. Because that is abode of Devi. Devi's abode is our home because we are all her children. Right? So, and Guruji used to always say that whenever you come to Devipuram, you should feel as if you have come home. So, welcome to Devipuram. And we will get into the puja. The Lalita Sahasranamam was composed by the 8 Vagdevis. Vashini, Kameshwari, Modini, Vimale, Arune, Jaini, Sarveshwari, Kaulini. These are the 8 Vagdevis who composed this Sahasranama at the behest of Lalita Devi herself. So this is the first, I would say, uniqueness of the Lalita Sahasranamam. The second one is that I don't think anybody has really made very specific attempts to learn how to chant it. You start listening to it, you follow along with the book and automatically हो जाता है. जैसे प्यार किया नहीं जाता है, हो जाता है वैसे. I'm serious. Even women who have not studied much, they do not know how to read properly, chant the Lalita Sahasranam. It is 182.5 shlokas. How will they able to remember all of that? Nothing but the grace of Devi. Akshatas, chandan, a little bit of turmeric, this card, flowers, and this coin. This turmeric has been brought specifically from Devipuram every Amavasya and Paurnami at Devipuram. For Sahasrakshi Rajarajeshwari Devi, we do perform the Panchamrita Abhishekam. That is Abhishekam with all the different Panchamritas. And all the bhaktas who come on that day can go inside and perform the Abhisheka with their own hands. So we start with the Guru Mantra. Aim Reem Shreem Aim Kleem Sauh Hamsa Shivasoham Hasta Prem Hasakshamalavareum Hasaum Sahakshamalavareim Sahau Swarupa Nirupana Hetave Swagurave Shri Annapurnamba Sarita Shri Amrutananda Natha Shri Guru Shri Padukam Pujayami Tarpayami Namaha. Harihi Om. So she will do on behalf of everybody. Take some akshatas in your hand, in your right hand, and just hold it with your right hand. Shri Vishwavasunama Samvatsare Dakshinayane Vasharutau Shravana Mase Shukla Pakshe Dvitiyam Tidhau Sthiravasare Shubha Nakshatre Shubha Yoge Shubha Karana Evam Guna Viseshana Visishtayam Shri Kamakhya Devi Prityardham Shri Guru Prityardham Shri Sukta Vidhanena Lalita Sahasranama Kumkumarchana Sahita Shodasha Upachara Pujam Karishye. Place those akshatas near the photo or on the copper coin. Arunam Karunadaringidakshim Dhritapasham Kushapushpapana Animadiviravutam Mayukhaihi Ahamitya Vibhavet Bhavanim Dhyayet Padmasanastam Vikasatavadanam Padmapatrayatakshim. Now we'll be doing the upacharas, 16 upacharas. Shrim Hrim Shrim Lalitayai Shrim Hiranyavarnam Harinim Suvarna Rajatasrajam Chandram Hiranmayim Lakshmim Jata Vedo Mamavaha Shrim Hrim Shrim Lalitaye Dhyanam Samarpayami. Just fold your hands. Anjali Mudra, Namaskar Mudra. Okay. Om Jata Vedase Sunavamaso Mamarati Yato Nidahati Vedaha Sanah Parushadari Durgani Vishwanadeva Sinthum Duritathyagnihi Tam Agnivarnam Tapasajvalantim Vairochanim Karma Phaleshu Jushtam Varam Duradasham Nityapushtam Karishinim Ishwarigam Sarvabhutanam Tamihopahvaye Shriyam Shrim Hrim Shrim Lalitayai Divya Shri Gandhan Dharayami. So now we are going to chant Hasakaha Lahrim Manasakka Mamatu Timbachas Satyamashimhi Pashu Nagam Rupamannasya Mayishri Shayatam Nishaha Shrim Hrim Shrim Lalitayai Pushpam Samarpayami Ambikayai Namah Shrim Shirah Pujayami. That is on the top of the head. Yoga Nidrayai Namah Shrim Padau Pujayami, the feet again. And then Shantyai Namah Shrim Sarvanyangani Pujayami. Tradena Manikya Maulis Puratara Nayaka Shekharam Smitamukhi Mapina Vakshodvam Panibhya Malipurna Ratna Chashakam Rokta Utphalam Vibhatim Saumyam Ratna Gagarsarakta Charanam Dhyayet Param Ambikam Arunam Karunadarangitakshim Dhrutapasham Kushapushpabana Chapam Anganyasa Karanyasa. Aim Angushtabhyam Namaha. Go from bottom to top. Yeah. Then Klim Tajjanibhyam Namaha. Sauh Madhyamabhyam Namaha. Sauh Anamikabhyam Namaha. Aim Karatala Karaprushtabhyam Namaha. Okay, then Aim Hrudayaya Namaha. One hand is fine. Aim Hrudayaya Namaha. Klim Shirase Swaha. Sauh Shikhayai Vashad. Sauh Kavachaya Hum. Klim Netratrayaya Vaushad. Aim Astraya Bhat. Bhuvaha Suvaha Om Iti Digbandhaha. Udgaudana Saptachitta Sakinyamba Surupini Ajna Chakrab Janiliya Shukla Varna Shadanana Majja Samstaham Savati Mukhya Shakti Samanvita Haridranai Karasika Hakini Rupadharini Sahasradala Patnastha Sakavarnopashopita Sarvamyani Prashamani Sarvamurti Varini Agaranya Yarupa Karikalmashanashini Katyayani Valahandri Kamalakshani Shevita Ramura Pura Tamukhi Dadini Kusma Prabha रुद्राक्षी मोहिनी मुख्या मुरारी विक्ररूपिणी पराशक्ति परानिष्ठा प्रज्ञान घर रूपिणी माध्वी पानल सामर्था मातृका वर्ण रूपिणी कलात्मिका कलामाता काव्य रापरिमोदिनी सचामर भावानी सर्वदक्षिण सेविता सर्वमंगल मांगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थ साधिके महालक्ष्मी नीरजालयमुनकु नीरांगणं క్షీరాబ్ధికన్యకకు శ్రీ మహాలక్ష్మికి నీరజాలయమునకు నీరాంగణం శ్రీ చాముండేశ్వరి శ్రీ చాముండేశ్వరి అమ్మా శ్రీ చాముండేశ్వరి సింహవాహిని महिषासुर मर्दिनी श्री चामुंडेश्वरी अम्मा श्री चामुंडेश्वरी हरने तानोलिद शृंगार लहरी ब्रह्मणे